Hi guys, so we're getting ready to go over to the port where we are going to be embarking. Is that the word, embarking?
Bark.
Where we're going to be boarding the Carnival Pride. We're so excited. This is Madison's second cruise. It's about my fifth or sixth, and Carnival's always a lot of fun. It's like the family fun ship, so we should have a really great time. So I'm going to try to be diligent about doing an outfit of the day this entire week that we're on the cruise, which may be multiple outfits because I kind of change for breakfast and then pool time, and then if we're going to a port or if we are having dinner. So it might be a lot of stuff, but I thought it would be fun to share anyway. So today we are about to get on the cruise ship. I'm still at the hotel. We'll be leaving in a few. And this is what I'm wearing. I have this really cute stripy top that I got from the Tommy Hilfiger outlet. Little red shorts that I purchased, I think, don't mind the kids in the background, I got from New York & Company. So I think it's really cute. I really like this outfit. I think it's very nautical. And that's what I'm wearing today as we're getting ready to board the ship. I wrote down every day and what the attire is, so I have like formal, casual, Caribbean, and I also wrote next to it if we have an excursion that day, and then at the bottom I wrote out what I was wearing so that I know what outfit to grab every night. So I just thought that was a handy little tool for the room. Okay, so today is our day at sea, so the outfit of the day is just this stripy top that I got at Kohl's, and then these shorts, which I think were from New York & Company. So our first 2 days are days at sea, so I always keep my sea bands on just to keep from getting sick because I can really feel the boat today. And that is today's outfit. Tonight is going to be formal night. So it's formal night, and we are wearing, I have a navy dress on with a really pretty embellishment here. It's like really old. I can't even remember where I got it from. Probably Lord & Taylor's, but I don't even know, maybe 10 or more years ago. And then Madison has on her pretty dress that she recently wore to Emily's Sweet 16 party. She looks adorable. And we're all ready for Captain's Night. Let me just show you my shoes, because these are like my favorite dress shoes. I got them at Nordstrom's several years ago, but they're really comfortable. And yeah, that is the outfit for Captain's Night tonight, and tomorrow is another day at sea. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So it is Tuesday, August 7th, and this is my outfit of the day. I just have this top that I got at Marshall's, and it has like the little cold shoulder sleeves, and these black shorts that I got a couple of years ago from New York & Company, and they're like scalloped on the bottom. Sorry, Madison's watching a cartoon up there. And you can see it's our anniversary, and the gentleman who's taking care of us was really nice, and he decorated our mirror here, and he also put out all of these really cute towel animals, so that was really nice of him. And that is the outfit of the day for Tuesday. So tonight is casual night, and it's also our anniversary, and I'm wearing this really cute Tommy Hilfiger dress. It has pockets, which I love, and I'm wearing these mermaid bracelets that I got from my mom for my birthday. They're super cute. You guys probably saw that on my what I got for my birthday video. And this dress I got from the Tommy Hilfiger outlet, really, really inexpensively. I think it's super cute. And then these shoes are just a pair of platforms that I got a long time ago. I don't even remember where, but they're really comfortable, and they go with lots of things because they're neutral. And that is today's outfit of the day. We're going to dinner now, and we're going to celebrate our 19-year anniversary. So today we're at Grand Turk. It's our first island stop, and I have my bathing suit on underneath this, but I just have on this bell sleeve, very light top that I got from Brew 21, and then these denim shorts that I don't even remember where I got them from. I think they're from Express, and my Havana flip-flops, and very casual, and we are about to get off the ship and go over to Grand Turk, so should be a great day. We're headed to Margaritaville. Caribbean night, and tonight I'm wearing this white dress that I got from THREDUP a while back. It's It's really cute. I think it's good for the Caribbean theme. And then I have these shoes again that I'll probably be wearing every night this week. And that is tonight's outfit for Caribbean night. Okay, today's outfit of the day, we're going to Carnival's private island, Half Moon Cay, and I'm just wearing my white cover-up, which you guys have probably seen before this summer in some of my vlogs that I've done, and then this cute hat that I got yesterday when we were at Grand Turk. So that's it. Just have on my cover-up and my Michael Kors flip-flops, and we are ready to head over to the island. So we are currently leaving Half Moon Cay. We had a really great day, and tonight is casual night. So I just took a shower, and I'm wearing my sunglasses because it's really sunny out here. But I have this necklace that I got from Avon like 100 years ago. I don't even know how long ago. And this cute black romper that I got from Rue 21 when we were in Tennessee. And I am wearing my silver jewelry. So I have my silver bracelet and my pearl earrings, and then I am just, because it's casual night, I'm just going to keep on my Michael Kors flip-flops, and that is what I'm wearing tonight for casual night. So tonight is our last formal night. We spent the day in Freeport, Bahamas today. We just got back from an excursion, and I'm ready for dinner. Tonight I am wearing a cute Tommy Hilfiger dress that I purchased at an outlet very inexpensively. It has the full shoulder and a little bow. It's really cute and very comfortable. It's not as dressy as I normally would like to wear for formal night, but it works. And then I just have these platforms that I've been kind of wearing all week. Super comfortable. And that is my outfit for tonight for our last formal night on the Carnival Pride. Today is our last day. It's Saturday and it's a day at sea, and we're going to have breakfast with Dr. Seuss. I'm just wearing this green top that I got from Hollister with this really pretty embroidery on the side, and these white shorts that were from New York & Company, and my green Havanas. So it's our last day and we're going for breakfast. So it's our last day. It's a day at sea, and I have just gotten ready for dinner. So tonight is casual night. I'm wearing these gold dangly earrings that I got from THREDUP a while back. And then this top was from New York & Company, and I purchased it like last year or the year before. And then I have on my favorite white jeans from Kohl's. They're from the L collection, and my green Havanas. And then I am also wearing this bracelet that I purchased on our trip to Tennessee last week. So that's it. It's my final outfit. Sadly, that is going to be the end of our trip. I really hope that you guys enjoyed checking out my outfit of the day. Every day on this cruise, I think I did an awesome job. I didn't anticipate making it through the whole week, but I did. So this is my final night, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you real soon. Take care. Bye.